Good, well and truly good afternoon to everybody. It's been a very, very lazy morning, but we needed it. We had a good sleep in.
I'm sorry.
This morning we were meant to go up the mountain and have a free staff breakfast and go snowboarding, and I woke up and I was like, I don't think I can do it. But also, this is what put me off, is that the weather's not that great up on the mountain at the moment. It's very, very, very foggy, and we haven't had much snow, so that was the main reason.
Well, like, sleep's better.
So, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to be packing our suitcases. We have 4 here from Australia, so we're planning on sending 2 home and taking 2 with us for our onward travels. We did not know how to get these home. I don't know if we've mentioned it in a previous video, but we got a cost for freighting 2 suitcases home.
And our snowboard
gear, and it was going to be around about $5,000. At the moment, we are planning on sending these 2 suitcases home with my brother, who is just paying us a visit out of the blue, so that was really cool. Lord willing, that will all go through, and it won't be quite so expensive. This one already feels full.
We are going to be dummy packing, not really dummy packing, we're hoping this stuff will go, but we're going to be packing the stuff that we don't need because we have so much winter gear, and where we're going to be going. Hint, hint.
Hint, hint.
Hint, hint.
That was a big one.
So yeah, we're going to pack everything up and weigh it and make sure that it's all. And you guys might be wondering why we're bringing you along on this video. Well,
there's not really a lot of other choices at the moment.
And we are just going to be vlogging. The next videos are probably just mainly going to be vlogs of our life until we get ready to travel again. So we hope you'll stick around for that period of our life.
Because we are really scraping the bottom of the barrel for our content at the moment.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get into it.
Vlog life, here we come.
Not daily.
Not daily vlogging, but if you came to Set the Captives Free, really good book. Maybe you should check it out. It's a bit gruesome, but good book.
Oh my goodness, there's just more and more stuff.
What do you reckon? Do you reckon I'm going to use this?
I have no idea. Only you know what you wear, honey.
Okay, I just don't know.
Send her home.
No,
if
listen.
doubt,
okay,
ship it
this
out.
is the thing.
This bin.
Bin. Mine's in there. Oh, that
It's out of the bin.
Ow!
This can go home. I mean, you're not going to be wearing this in.
Yeah, but what about?
Nah, it can go home.
Really?
Yeah, it can go home. No, you don't.
David, I need this for the plane. Ooh, definitely taking this, right? Are you a roller or a folder? Comment below. I am a roller because my grandmother, shout out to Granny Moore, taught me how to roll, which I'm not really doing a good job at right now.
And I'm normally just like shove it in and sit on it.
You're not that type of person at all. You fold your stuff. I know you fold it.
Okay, I'll send this home. Thought it was going to be a really good idea, but just never used it. But how good is this though, right? Oh, I could almost get one of Sarah's shoes on with this tool because it's just shoes. That good. Watch this.
David.
See that? I can nearly get it on. Hint, hint. Goodbye, comfy slippers. Goodbye, office shoes. We're retiring, officially.
Okay, I have a confession. I thought I was going to use these bands for exercise. Never use them. So, if you're planning on tripping around or wherever, don't kid yourself. You're not going to do the exercise. Find a gym. That's more inspirational as well.
This is definitely going home. This is our plate from Monty. One day, this is going to be hanging in our studio.
Yeah. Should I start with the wardrobe now?
Sure, let's do it.
Ooh, okay, Christmas is going. Sorry, Christmas. Bye.
Okay, I'm going to do mine too.
Oh, do you want this? Jingle bells, bye. Jingle bells, smile. Jingle bells, bye.
You getting distracted?
Just reading cards to my daughter. Stay curious about your surroundings and intuitive about your future. Be attentive to those around you. Continue to spread your wings and seek your own inner peace and joy. The place is looking like a disaster, and look what David's doing.
Packing.
Stickers. So far I have this sticker and this one. My work colleague is an artist and we got some stickers from her. Sometimes you do.
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes you do. Do
this
it again.
This is just getting out of control. What a mess.
You would think that we're moving today.
No,
Tomorrow.
Anyway, I'm going to go and procrastinate by doing some washing. Because it also needs to be done. It does need to be done.
Oh, being a sausage.
Let's go.
This stuff is all going to Australia. Let's weigh that.
Guesses in the comments.
I'm gonna say that one is 23.
I'm going to say 18.
Okay.
Not even. 14.8.
That one's 23.
This one's probably... Oof. Yeah, this one's probably like 22, I reckon. 21.1.
Not bad. Not bad. Can still shove a whole heap of stuff into the other one if we need to.
Yeah, let's just be on the lookout for stuff that can go home.
Yeah.
Over the next week. And hopefully we can get rid of some stuff.
Well, no idea what this video was about, or where we left you guys.
Yeah, we just got really taken up in the process of what we were doing, so...
Yep, so we've cut it down a lot.
We definitely made progress of some description today, so...
Yeah.
Pretty excited about that, but it is pretty confronting as well that we will be leaving here in about 10 weeks. So,
10 weeks?
Is it not?
Whoa, that's crazy. I mean, yeah, it probably is. I was just shocked.
It's about 10 weeks.
Oh, wow.
And by the time this video posts, probably about 9 weeks. So, that's pretty crazy. But yeah, we're just happy that we have a 99% chance of getting these bags home for a reasonable price. Anyway, hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do you have anything else to say?
Yeah, if you guys have any video ideas, comment them below.
Because we're running out.
Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.